Hi folks, welcome back. Today's theme is hope. So we've got a nice little hopeful tune for you. There's a bit more going on, it's a longer pattern than usual, but there's a lot of space within it. So I invite you to move slowly with it and just really enjoy that space, really breathe into that space. The first thing that we need to learn is a little chord progression. The first chord is D minor, we're going to use note 1 and note 4. Then all we're going to do is shift that shape ever so slightly, move our right hand over to note 3 and left hand up to note 6 from here, right? So from here over here, very simple movement. And that makes our F major. Right, so we're here, 2, 3, over to F, nice and easy. Then we're going to move that shape entirely. We're going to move this right hand up here. So basically what the right hand has done so far is go from here to here to here. But then the left is going to come down and fill that gap where we were just now. To play note 3 and 5. That makes our A minor chord. And then the final chord, we're going to shift this. We're going to do a little switcheroo. So the left hand comes up over to the D over here. And the right hand also comes across but moves down just for comfort rather than having to reach over like this to note 2 and 4. Right? So we go from this shape to this shape. That's the movement there. Right? I really invite you to start thinking about the movements within what you're playing rather than just hitting the right note all of the time. You know, the purpose of this program this year, this Handpanuary, is less about getting all of the technique right and learning all the drills and exercises, and more about just leaning into what it is that you're playing and being in your body. So to really think about those shapes. And when you find a shape in our transition that doesn't feel completely comfortable and relaxed, you can just stay there for a moment and practice that. So far we have this, then we have F, then A minor, then B flat, back to D minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. Myself. So as you can hear, within that space between those chords, we're going to put a little melody in there, and it's very repetitive. It's the same rhythm all of the way through. It's the same kind of idea all the way through, but we're just shifting notes a little bit. So in this first chord, after we play, we're then going to come up to note 5 and then up to note 6. By the way, if this feels like too much to remember and it's not enough to just watch and look, you can find the notation for this on my Patreon page. From the lowest tier to the highest, doesn't matter what you pay, whatever feels good for you, you can get access to the notation for this, and then you've got quick and easy access after Handpanuary whenever you want to come back to these themes. Anyway, so we've got chord 1, which is our D minor. We come up to note 5 and 6. D, 5, 6, D. 5, 6, D, 5, 6. Just practice that with me. D, 5, 6, D, 5, Excellent. Once you've got that, we can then move on to F. 7, 8. So here's note 7, here's note 8. So F, 7, 8, 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 F, 7, 8. Last one. 7, 8. Okay, excellent. Remember this because when we come over to the A minor, same two notes, we're just coming backwards, right? So A, 8, 7, A, 8, 7, A, 8, 7, A, 8, 7, A, and 8, 7, A, and 8, 7, and 8, 7, and 8, 7. And there we move over to our B flat, remember that shift. 7, so we're starting in the same place we finished. 7 and 6. B flat, 7, 6, 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 B flat, 7, 6. And there we have it. It's the whole pattern. So when we put that together, it sounds like this. It sounds hopeful, hopefully. 3, 1, 2, here we go. D, 5, 6, D, 5, 6, F, 7, 8, F, 7, 8, A, 8, 7, A, 8, 7, B flat, 7, 6, B flat, 7, 6, D, 5, 6, D, 5, 6, F, 7, 8, F, 7, 8, A, 7, 7, 8, 7, B flat, 7, 6. So every chord happens twice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you want to share your version of that piece, I would love to hear it, either in the community group if you've joined one of the membership spaces, Patreon or here. You can share it in our community group or online, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your version of it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this one. It's one of my favourites from this month, I think. Yeah, alright, have a wonderful day.